Welcome to Coolify. So what exactly is this tool? It's a tool for deploying web apps, databases, and more on any server in any language. As we can see, it works for self-hosted or cloud-based solutions. It offers unlimited free trial and you pay as you go. There's a $5 payment option which you pay as you use the service. You can link unlimited servers from $3 per server per month. Basically, it allows us to host in our own way and it simplifies the process. They have merch for some unknown reason. Let's take a quick look at the reviews. Not sure if there'll be many. Coolify.io. One says, great product, simple and excellent for using multiple servers and deploying quickly, simply powerful and customizable. On Trustpilot, it has a 3.5 rating with a 2-star review. The worst cloud tool? Well, very good tool. Best Vercel alternative I've used. Well, this is another option, okay? It's an alternative to Vercel, got it? We've brought Vercel to the channel before, of course. Coolify is similar to that. Coolify lets us publish web apps in any language, so there you have it, alright? If you want to learn it, go to Docs, okay? But you'll need to click Get Started. Here's how to register, okay? Find it in the Get Started section here. Okay, usage and more, got it? Remember, server setup depends more on you.